Welcome to dotcom builder. In this video, I will share with you how to add a book now button to the header for Hostinger appointment system. So when you click on it, it lands you automatically, or it redirects you. So when you click on it, it redirects you automatically to this appointment booking product. And without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log in to your Hostinger account, and click on Websites. Now, next to the website that you want to add your Book Now or Appointment Book Now button to the header, click on Edit Website. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder, and first let's give it a visit. This is the website, and if I go to the store, then click on this product. This is my book appointment or appointment booking product. So how to how to add a big button to the header for this appointment booking product? It's simple. First, select the header section, then click on edit header. Then this header settings window opens up. Go to elements, and next to show button, enable this option, just like this. You will see this black button. Now let's customize it and link it to our product. So click on edit button. Here, select below button text, customize the button text, for example, book now. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger Builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and the integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Here, select below button text, customize the button text, for example, book now. And here in the link to, I will link to a web address. Then I will go back to my website, copy this booking product page URL like this, copy. Then I will paste the link here. And here I will select between opening this page or this appointment booking page in a new tab or not. I will open it in the same tab, and you can make this link nofollow or dofollow for search engines. I think it depends on if you want to help your product or appointment page rank higher on search engines, keep it like this. If you want to limit the SEO juice to this page, you can this and you limit to the other pages. Now for the fill color, the button fill color, you can add it or customize it like this. Let's scroll down a little bit to see this button. Let's give it this yellow button, yellow color. So for the text color, I will go with black, and I will change the button text font from here, this bold text, or let's go with medium. And here for the text size, you can customize it using this slider. And then let's add border color, black. Let's give it a little bit of width to show up. And you can also edit the button corner radius or design using this slider. As you see, the button corners are changing. Now that this is all of this for the normal state. If you want to edit the hover state of the button, by hover it means when the mouse cursor is on the top of the button, you can edit it like this. For example, let's switch it from, or let's do the opposite. Text color, white, the border color, the yellow color. So okay. Now close this window, and as you see, when you hover over it, the colors changes. Now don't forget to update your website to change this new book now button. Now that my website is updated, let's see my new book now button, and this is it. Let's give it a click. When you click on it, it shows the my appointment booking products, and this says how to add a book now button to the header of your Hostinger website builder site. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.